Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Introduction to the STL, part of programming in C++ course. The standard template library STL is a collection of algorithms, containers, and iterators provided by the C++ standard library. It is designed to provide a foundation for writing generic and reusable code and is widely used in the C++ programming community. The STL provides several types of containers, including vector, list, deque, map, set, and others, which can be used to store data in a variety of ways. The containers are designed to work with the algorithms provided by the STL, such as sort, find, and remove, to make it easy to manipulate data in a standard and efficient way. The STL also provides a set of iterators, which are objects that can be used to traverse the elements of a container. The iterators are designed to work with the algorithms provided by the STL, making it easy to apply an algorithm to a range of elements in a container. In addition to the algorithms and containers, the STL also provides a set of function objects or functors, which are objects that can be used to encapsulate a function call. The functors can be passed as arguments to algorithms, allowing you to customize the behavior of the algorithms. The STL is widely used in C++ programming, as it provides a standard and efficient way to perform common operations on data structures. It is as important part of the C++ standard library and is an essential tool for any C++ programmer. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.